Participation in both the CSG national level as well as the regional level is important. I think for the national level, you see the big picture, what's going on all 4 regions, in the federal government level, internationally, what's going on there. On the regional level, you get a better appreciation for the differences between the 4 regions. So you tend to focus more upon the local regional issues, and I think that's where we go deep, and each of us developing expertise in that particular area of policy amongst those, in those states. I think it's wonderful that we have a CSG there to provide a resource for our local legislators. I think it's a great way of interacting with other colleagues who are maybe going through or wrestling with similar kind of problems at a local level. It's a place of looking at other ideas or maybe learning about best practices. You know, we always look at regional best practices and different type of legislation that we can maybe take and modify and tweak for our home state. So I think it's a resource. It's also a place to go and share your ideas. If you have any good ideas out there you want to share a broadcast, it's also that place to do that. So it's a good place to be.